Hello everyone, this is Şehir Broker. Today we are in Üsküdar, Altınizade, just next to Validebağ Grove in the complex of Validebağ Konakları. This complex is 319 apartments from 1 beds to 8 beds options, 47 shops and a nice green area around with additional facilities. As a facility, what they have an amazing gym, good big size gym, indoor swimming pool, indoor tennis court and the basketball court, which is so unique other than projects. They have indoor Pilates room and they have the spa facilities as well. What we are gonna see today, we will see 210 square meter net size, 4 beds with a maid room, separated kitchen, laundry room, sample apartment full of furniture, which has a take price of $1,500,000. So let's don't make it long and let's go to our sample apartments. This is the sample apartment of Validebağ Konakları. It's welcoming us with a nice entrance hall. On my right hand side, it looks like only a decoration, but this is the wardrobe for your jackets and the shoes for your guests and for yourself. On both sides, you have a good space here. It's welcoming us with a nice lighting setup. This is a duplex apartment. And I would like to start first with the living space, family room here. This family room has a quite good size and it's nicely decorated here. Nice chandeliers, they chosen dining area for 6 people, family setup here, TV setup. And whatever you see in this apartment, actually for this apartment, they are going to sell it with these decorations and the furnitures. And we have one nice balcony here. For the summer days, it is nice space to have your breakfast here with your family. By the way, when I open the door, I see that there is a very nice clean air coming from outside because we are very close to Validebağ Korusu, Validebağ Grove, which is 400,000 meters square. So we see the clean air coming from there, and there is, you see the silence. We are in the middle of the town. It is not noisy outside. From this living space, we are passing to kitchen. The apartment has a separated kitchen. What we see here, it's a good sized kitchen. Even in the middle, you see they put a big size breakfast nook table here. 4 people, even you can, if you secure 6 people, can have breakfast on this table. The decoration color they choose, there is the natural wood theme on the outside of the cupboards here. In this apartment, whatever you see, the fridge, microwave, oven, all these white goods, which is Siemens brand, is included. But for if you are going to purchase another apartment, they are not giving the fridge and microwave, which is not a big deal, by the way. What I see here, it's a good size. It has the cooling and heating system here, nice recessed lightnings, a bronze color chandelier. Good size kitchen to manage everything. On this floor we have one bedroom. This bedroom, we have here one bedroom. We can say this bedroom can be a maid room or one children room. It is not very small, not very large, but the good thing, this bedroom has its own cooling heating system and the bathroom here. You see the bathroom, it has a nice size walk-in shower here. Each apartment there is a need of space like this. And here we have a nice, it is not a powder room, good size bathroom for your guests. So normally on this floor they put only a powder room, so it has its own shower on this floor as well. So this floor is like this. From this floor we are passing to the second floor right now. This is the classic type duplex apartment on these kind of buildings. On whole Istanbul you can see these kind of roof apartments. Some of them has a very low ceiling, but this one, what I see, from top to down, it is enough to manage. Also they did a good holes to exit balcony, so it's giving the high ceiling possibility. It's not touching from any space to your head. This is the master bedroom. They designed is a wide space usage here, nicely decorated. We see the from the splash wall here, nice decoration, nice gray and gold color wardrobes on the both sides, central cooling and the heating system of course. Big size balcony we have, makeup table over here, of course the bathroom of the master bedroom here. It's small size but enough for a bathroom here. So from top to down they used good quality ceramics here. And on this floor we have two more bedrooms I would like to show. Let's pass to those bedrooms as well. As it is the twin of the down floor, we have the same whole space here. This room they designed as a nice children room. These two rooms are like twins, similar size, and here we have the good high ceiling, maybe over 3 meters. And I'm not getting in, very similar third bedroom here. And lastly, these two bedrooms has this guest bathroom here. It's good and big size to manage. Generally, on these kind of apartments, there is problem that they always put the washer or the dryer on these rooms. But here, there is a nice exit for the fire exit here. And it created some space there. So they use this space very well as a washer and dryer managing place. Also, it's a good size space that your maid can do the ironing here as well. So our apartment is whole like this. From here we will go to the around of this district as well. Let's go.